This the rope mean when the can to take out.
Yeah.
This is small rope, more hard is cutting.
Yeah.
And this move up.
Ah, okay, cool. Before coming out to Bali, I knew that there was a serious problem with rubbish and pollution in their rivers and their oceans. As you can see, I got talking to a local who's a lobster farmer, and he travels every single day 400 to 500 meters out into the water to catch his lobsters. On a good day, he'll catch 20. On a bad day, he'll catch 10. But either way, he struggles every single day with the rubbish that gets caught in the ropes of his nets. I initially made the decision to come out to Bali to surf every single day. I wanted to do a surf camp, but that made me realise that I wasn't going to be able to see other areas of Bali that they had to offer. Even surfing here at Canggu, I saw that the waters were dirty, there was rubbish everywhere, juice cartons floating in the water, straws and other bits of plastic and material polluting their waters. In the description down below, I'll leave a link where you guys can go to donate in order to help the clear up of Bali's waters. Even over at the World Surf League, the main intention of the fundraisers was to protect Bali's waters and to help clear up the worst areas.
I see the things